Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general reading for Sagittarius fire sign, and this reading is from August 1st to August 10th. So let's see what's the message for you Sagittarius regarding relationship. So what's the message Sagittarius for you? Six of Pentacles, King of Pentacles, lot of earth energy. You or your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Judgment. Clarification card for Six of Pentacles. Why is here Six of Pentacles? What's the message? Awareness. Hangman. Laziness, Nine of Cups. Judgment. Creativity. I think in this connection there is no equal give and take. One person in this connection is very dominating. I think it's your person, Sagittarius. I think you are spiritually awakening in this connection. Hangman, you are stuck in this connection, that but you want to move from this connection because due to stuckness. And the King of Pentacles, I think you want to this stable, emotionally stable like this. That's why Judgment is here. I think you made decision, some big decision in your life. Creativity, I think you are in this energy in August. Creativity means the Empress. You are in, you stand by your power. You made decision because the Judgment and the creativity. Definitely very positive changes are coming in your life in August. Your wishes are going to be true because wish fulfillment is here. Definitely some judgments are already made because there is no equal give and take. I think you want to walk away from your person or from your relationship. So let's see some more messages for you Sagittarius. What's the message? Eight of Wands, communication. Nine of Pentacles, High Priestess, Moon. Yes, I think you are going to receive some communication in August, but you stand by your power. You are now emotionally independent because see here Nine of Pentacles. You stand by your power because you trust now. You trust your intuition. You are not going to believe anyone this time because you are trust your intuition in August, because there are some secrets hidden in between you and your person. Your person could be Spices. Your person could be Aries, Leo, Sag, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Definitely you made big decision. You Empress and Nine of Pentacles. Definitely you stand by your power. This is very powerful reading for you Sagittarius. Yeah, let's see. Strength. Yes, you stand by your power. You already gathered your strength. Sagittarius. Wow. Very powerful month for you. You are emotionally stable also. You are emotionally independent. Yes, Four of Swords. You are taking break from your relationships or whatever, because you are taking break from your relationship that don't serve you. The Lovers, Gemini, you or your person could be, but your person feeling your person loves you, but there is no equal give and take. That is the issue, and you cut them off. You made decision because Queen of Swords, no turning back. Because Four of Swords, you are already thinking but not taking any action. You are in night, you are in this mode. You are taking rest. Wow, Queen of Cups, you are in this energy. You are not going to hate your person, but you are not responding emotionally for their emotions, but you are responding to your emotions only. And you are stable, emotionally stable. I am getting you have more emotions for yourself than your person in the month of August. Yes, Ten of Wands, Temperance, Sagittarius, patience and balance. You is here. Definitely in this connection you only take responsibility from the day one till this day. That's why you are feeling very burdened and very restless. That's why you are made decision that you have to cut off this person, and there is, because there is no equal give and take, you gain all this strength. You are in Empress mode, and in Nine of Pentacles you are emotionally stable right now. So let's see. Clinging to the past, Five of Cups. Yes, you don't want to cling to the past anymore. Transformation. Yes, you are undergone powerful transformation in August. Wow, Ace of Pentacles, maturity. Yes, you will transforming, because transforming and maturity is here. This is very powerful month, Sagittarius. Projection, Seven of Cups. Healing. Yes, you are undergone some healing, transformation, maturity and healing. And witness, Nine of Pentacles 2 times. Yeah, you stand by your power. You concentrating on your goals more than anything in your life right now, because a lot of Pentacle energy is here. Definitely you are concentrating about your goals. And maturity, definitely you are very stable and very patient. So let's see a little bit of your person energy. This is your energy. You are fed up with what your person did to you. That's why you are taking a rest. You cut them off. But your person, I think 8 of Wands, your person want to communicate you. So let's see your person energy little bit. The Empress, your person energy. And 10 of Cups. 5 of Pentacles. Your person energy. Your person feeling like you are stand by your power. They are also feeling that you stand by your power. They are feeling some separation with you, and they want this happiness with you. Oh, lot of cards. I'm not taking because too many cards. Going with the flow, Ace of Cups. Intensity. Yes, Knight of Wands. Yes, they want to come towards you again, definitely, because they love you. Ace of Cups is here. They want this happiness with you, but you are not tolerating anymore this person, because this person is causing emotional imbalance to you. That's what I'm saying here. You love this person, your person also loves you, but there is no equal give and take, and you always took that total responsibility regarding the situation. You literally, I think this relationship may be years. That's why you are totally feeling burdened and depressed. So that's why you stand by your power, you gain your strength. So this is your month, Sagittarius, to grow yourself, to spiritually love yourself, and spiritual awakening. So this is the reading, this is the messages for you, Sagittarius, for the month of August, from August 1st to 10th. So this hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.